Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Welcome to your lesson on grade 12 probability. Today in our past paper series, we're looking at a paper from the Gauteng province. Okay, we're looking at a paper from the Gauteng province. This was the examination that was written in September 2024. Now, let's see what the question was saying. Let me zoom it in a bit. Okay, I think it's fine. So this is question 12, as you can see. So let's see. Now, 12.1, it says, the data obtained from a city's police department indicates that of all motor vehicles reported stolen, 80% were stolen by syndicates to be sold off, and 20% were stolen by individuals for personal use. So our data is like this. This seems like we'll have a tree diagram. So let me say syndicate, and then this will be individual use. Okay, so this is 80% for syndicate, and then it's 20% for individual or personal use, right? And then of the vehicles presumed stolen by the by syndicates, 24% were recovered within 24 hours. So I'm gonna say, guys, this is W is within. Can let me change it a bit. I'm gonna say W is within, and then I'm gonna use A for after, and then let's see, maybe. Okay, maybe let me say within. Okay, within 48 hours, and this one here will be after 48 hours, and then these ones never recovered. I wanted to use codes like WAN, so never recovered. It's fine. So those that were recovered within 48 hours, 24% were, and then 16% were recovered after 48 hours, and then 60% were never recovered. All right. Again, we have the same even for personal use. We have the same even for personal use. These were recovered within 48 hours. And then after 48 hours, after 48 hours, and then never recovered. So 38% were recovered within 48 hours, 58% were recovered after 48 hours, and 4% were never recovered, right? So for 12.1.1, they say draw a tree diagram. This is us drawing a tree diagram, right? Perfect. Now, 12.1.2, calculate the probability that if a vehicle was stolen in this city, it would be stolen by a syndicate and recovered within. So this is probability of syndicate and within, and recovered within, and recovered within 48 hours, right? And recovered within 48 hours according to my code. So we're gonna go syndicate within. What is it? So this will be this probability times this probability. Okay. Okay, so what is this? It'll be 80% times 24%, right? So what is this? Let's see. 0.8 times 0.24. 0.8 times 0.24. So this then gives us 24 over, this gives us 24 over 125. If you like, multiplied by 100, it gives you 19.2%. If you like, you can also say it's 19.2%, right? If you like, you can also say it's 19.2%. Okay? Now proceeding, we then say calculate the probability that a vehicle stolen in this city will not be recovered. So this is basically probability of not recovered. Probability of not recovered will basically be probability of syndicate and never recovered. Right, and never recovered, right, plus probability of individual stolen by individuals for personal use. So I and never recovered. Okay, I and never recovered. I know, guys, I'm using a different platform today. Bear with me. And never recovered. Oh boy. And it seems like it's acting up. It's not nice. I don't know. It's not comfortable today. But let me try to do this better. It's better. Okay, let me try to do this. Okay, and never recovered. Never recovered. Okay, thank you. And never. Okay, thank you. And never recovered. Right? So what is this? Probability of, maybe I can go to the next page. Let me go to the next page. So this is probability of stolen by syndicate is 80% times never recovered. Never recovered is 60. So this is 80% times 60% plus stolen by individuals for personal use. Obviously, that's 20%. I remember that never recovered for this was 4%. All right, it was 4%. So let's see. This will be 0.8 times 0.6 plus 0.2 times 0.04. Then multiplied by 100. So this is 48 over. Okay, let me just say it is simply 0. This is 0.488. I should just call it 48.8%. All right, I should just call it 48.8%. All right, so this is it, guys. All right, this is it. All right, this is it. All right, so now let's see. Okay, let me make it y. Okay, 60 is fine. All right, so now let's now go to what is this? Question 12.2. Question 12.2. This is interesting. You have to choose a password for your new Facebook profile. The password must be in the format. This is lambda at where lambda. Do we call it lambda? Yes. Where this sign, I think it's lambda. If it's not, it's fine. Where this sign, make it 65. Where this sign is any digit, 0 is not allowed. So this is digits. So 0 is not allowed. So that means it is from 0. It is 0. Man, come on. It is not, 0 is not allowed. So it starts from 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and so on until 9. So this means we have how many? Number of these guys, is it 5? Okay, yeah, it is 9. Okay. Let's see. And then the adds are alphabets. Oh, wait. The password must be in this format. And at is any vowel. Okay, so this is vowel. So what is this? This is A, E, O, N. So what is this? The number of these guys is 5, isn't it? The number of these guys is 5. So they say you may repeat any digit. Digit, they repeat. All right, they repeat. Vowels, no repeat. Okay. Vowels do not repeat. So how many passwords can be found? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So remember, it is this, 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 and then this is 1, 2. This is at. So we have 9 digits to choose from. They can be repeated. Vowels, we have 5. Choosing one of the 5, you'll be left with 4 for the remaining. So number of passwords. So number of passwords will be 9 times 9 times 9 times 5 times 4. In your calculator, you say 9 cubed. You say 9 cubed times 20. Yes, simple as that. I have saved time. So what is this? This is 14,580. Okay, this is 14,580. So with that being said, it means we are done, and yeah, we have all our 11 marks. All right, we have all our 11 marks. So this is it, guys. I hope you saw how to do this, and you will be acing your examinations. 11 marks, we were done at about 10 minutes. That includes my yada-yadding. So you can imagine, in your exam, you will be spending roughly 8 minutes maybe. You see, you have saved time. So, bye-bye.